Rồi vừa thả này tại bỏ biếu yiem này mà đeo là yiem mà đeo là giàu nhé lâu em tay bỏ lô nhỉ sẽ lên nhà em tay bỏ nữa tay bỏ chỉ lâu xuống miệng cái gì nói anh sợ chứ trồng giàu yếu tao tao tỏi tao hết khô tay giàu yếu chỉ là giàu yếu bỏ biếu ấy chạy sợ chứ nên tay bỏ như này. Hey, okay. Okay, thank you. Này, tôi giỏi vậy đó, đi nhớ cổ mẹ to đấy. Hắn to tôi giỏi vậy to. Tại vì ta nói drive me về này bố lọ. Anh ấy bây giờ drive me về này giàu cơ. Như bây giờ hắn ta lô đấy. Gì sẽ lên hàng á. Hồ padding vậy đấy. Thế nên sai chọn bó em phải làm. The padding place way. He practice padding. My coach right there, the white shirt. He padding right there. It's a very nice golf course. It's
kind of like hockey. You get penalized and they're in the penalty box.
Yeah.
So then you have the other team that has one player more than your team does, but only during the penalty. Then the player comes back.
Yeah.
But there's a name for that in hockey. It's
fencing.
No. Well, it's when you have more players in the other team. It's
nó go ấy.
That's kind of weird.
Đợt nhận khu có lòng rồi. Xin đây nhận khu có.
That group.
You want to reach they don't understand.
Once they got done with that group play.
Hey Sammy, there's no red button. It went away.
Huh?
The red button went away.
Yeah, red button.
There's no red button.
No?
No. Oh, up there. Oh. Okay. I don't know. Can you reach it? No, he's not. They're going to hit again.
They hit 2 balls.
I think they're homosexual, man, because I think they like to play 2 balls. What do you think?
They got it on recording.
Don't record me saying that, okay?
I don't know.
Oh, gee, we got Sam, Southeast Asia, handicap 2.
They give me 32.
32.
Yeah. Okay, keep eye on.
Okay.
Look at this guy. That's sand trap. Over the sand trap. Yeah, good thing.
Then you kind of bounced over towards that tree.
Killed the ball.
I tell you, this guy can hit. I don't know if I got it or not, Sam.
Oh, still.
If I don't want to be talking about no homos.
This is Albert, my coach. Oh, nice try, nice.
Hey, Bobby.
You have a nice one there. There's a Bob. shot. You okay? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'm all right.
This is lovely.
Don't ask me how I did that.
I don't
My
know.
kosher
I looked
brother.
up there, I said, damn.
My brother too. Wow, beautiful fairway. Nice.
There we go.
Yeah.
Play the sand trap.
Hole number 5, Melo. Hole number 5, par 4. Oh, nice caught. You bought some Melo, you know. Bấm giờ rồi em bảo ta, ok nha. Tao như hát khô tao nó như coach ball.